Namaste and good morning all. In our whole day, we do a lot of activities in which demands to lean forward, to bend forward, and we are maximum time we are spending in with the hunchback or with the shoulders loose. So now we will see the asanas, these simple asanas, the modify asanas, which will help us to correct our posture and to release the tension from our back muscles and also to strengthen the muscles of our back. So let's go for our practice. So before we go with the practice of Parvatasana and Brahma Mudra, we will see how to sit straight, because whenever we sit, we sit with the hunchback, because of which we are creating a lot of pressure on our back muscles. We are creating a lot of pressure on our disc between the vertebral columns. So how to sit straight? So when you sit in Padmasana, or even when you are sitting with simple cross-leg position, I am sitting in Padmasana, you make a calf of your hands and place it by the side of your hips and just press it and expand your chest little. When you expand your chest, your spine takes a proper curve, your spine comes with the natural curvatures, and just make a finger lock on your knees and keep it like this. So this is how you have to sit straight. So I will show you from sides how it works. So when you are sitting, normally you are sitting with the hunchback. So this is wrong. So when you make a calf and you place it by the side, you just expand your chest, automatically your lower back comes in natural curvature. So here you are maintaining the curve of your back, you are keeping your back straight, the muscles, the tension from the muscles are getting released, and this is how you have to sit straight. Okay, so this is the position, the best position in which you can sit and you are not damaging the disc between your vertebral columns, you are not creating the pressure on your back muscles. So now we are going towards the next practice, which is Parvatasana, very simple practice, and you can do it anytime. If you are in office or you are at home, you can do this practice. So let us see the technique. So you just have to join your both the palms, your elbows in one line, and very slowly you have to raise your hands up, touching to your body. You can keep your eyes closed and keep it on your head. See, this is the very simple practice for all kind of back issues. It is very effective. Then slowly raise your Namaskara Mudra up, raise your hands up and stretch up. You are stretching the muscles of your back. You are stretching your shoulder joint. And if you have neck pain, you can keep little gap between your hands so that no pressure on your neck. And maintain this. You are stretching the muscles of your back, releasing the stiffness of your back muscles. You are stretching your spine, releasing the disc, releasing the tension from your disc between your vertebral columns. So for all kind of back issues, it is very effective. And slowly come back. If you cannot do much, you can maintain at least this position. You are expanding your chest, improving the capacity of your lungs. We will repeat this practice again. Very simple practice, at the same time very effective. So slowly raise your hands up. Again on your head, keep your elbows in one line. And then slowly raise your hands up, covering your ears, stretch up. And feel the stretching of your back. The only thing is, those who are suffering from frozen shoulders, for them it is very difficult to raise their hands. So जितना भी वो कर सकते हैं उतना ही करें. Go with their capacity. Don't try to do much or to go with the idle position, and slowly come back. So in this asana, you are stretching your back muscles, you are stretching your spine, as well as you are improving, you are expanding your chest, improving the capacity of your lungs, and the pressure is coming on, some pressure is coming on your abdomen also, because of which you are improving your digestion. So this is a very simple practice, whether you are in office or at home. Just do this practice for 1 minute and do this practice at least 4 to 5 times in a day. You are releasing the pressure which you are developing in a whole day on your back. So you are releasing that pressure. Now we are going towards our next practice, which is Brahma Mudra. So after doing Parvatasana, if you do Brahma Mudra, it will give you more benefit. So hands in Jnana Mudra. Close your eyes, very simple practice with your neck. Slowly turn your head right. Completely aware of your neck. Come back in center. Your movement of your neck should be so much slow that you should not feel you are moving your neck. Turn your head left. Not only you are releasing the stiffness of your neck, but also you are improving the concentration power. Very slowly come back in center. Now raise your head up. Keep your teeth together so that you should feel a stretch on your throat. Center. Down. Those who have neck pain, they have to avoid forward bending of your neck. Center. We will repeat this practice again. Turn your head right. Center. Turn your head left. Center. Raise your head up. Center. Down. Center. Slowly open your eyes. So in this practice, you are improving, you are stretching your throat, you are stretching your thyroid gland, improving the functioning of your thyroid gland. You are releasing the tension of your neck and also the back muscles which are connected to your neck, improving the blood circulation towards your brain. So these two practices are very simple, at the same time very effective. You can do this practice at your office, in your home, and do this practice, do at least 3 to 4 times in a day, so that you release the tension from your back, the tension from your neck. Now keep your back straight, hands in Jnana Mudra, and slowly close your eyes. Now be aware of your back. and feel the effect of our practices on our back. Feel the effect of Parvatasana on our back. Be aware of your neck. Be aware of your natural pattern of your breath. See how the breath is coming in and how it is going out. Now deeper inhalation, and while exhaling, slowly open your eyes. Now we conclude our session with Om 3 times Shanti. So join your palms. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. So today we saw how to sit rightly. We saw Parvatasana and Brahma Mudra. So keep practicing, and we'll meet again tomorrow for the next video of the series. Keep practicing. Thank you.